Have you ever tried praying before? Has your prayer ever been answered by the universe or God? Maybe if you believe in the prayer, you must have had your desires fulfilled, but there are some moments where certain desires are not fulfilled. So in today's video, we are going to discuss a prayer that you can say for 1 minute, and it will work like magic to attract all your desires into your life. Hello, and welcome back to my new video. If you are new to my channel, hello. As I have already mentioned today's topic, let's get started. Neville Goddard, one of the most popular spiritual teacher and author, believed that prayer is not asking the universe to give us anything. It is rather a way of connecting to our divine self. By applying the habit of praying every day, we are not asking the universe to create us different scenarios or create us the desire that we want. The desire that we have been attracting is already ours, and it is already present beforehand. By praying, we are just asking the universe to align ourselves with the desire. Neville Goddard believed that to align ourselves with our divine self through prayer is one of the best ways to attract our desire. To enhance the capability of prayer, we can start with the process of imagination. Imagination is another very powerful technique to attract a desired outcome. Many people throughout the centuries have tried imagining stuffs and bringing it into life. So, to start combining imagination and prayer together, the first step is to find a quiet, comfortable place where everything is still and nothing is there to disturb you. After that, take a few breaths in and then immerse yourself in the stillness. After you do this, think about the desire that you want and the prayer that you are going to say when you do this. When you have the clarity of the desire and prayer, you can close your eyes and start to vividly imagine all the images related to your desired outcome. When you are doing this step and imagining your desire with all clarity, remember to add details to your imagination. When you are specific with your desire, that is, the more precise you become with the images in your head, you can have numerous positive thoughts going through your head which can give you a clear path to your desired outcome. Immerse yourself in the feeling of your desire as well. When you are visualizing it and immersing yourself in that visualization, immerse yourself with the feeling of the desired outcome being fulfilled. When you do this and your emotions are heightened, when you are at the peak of your imagination, you can include your prayer. You can start chanting your prayer and asking the universe to unlock that potential, to unlock that possibility and opportunity which can lead you to your desired outcome. When you are including prayer in your imagination, to do it with gratitude. Make those affirmations the affirmations of gratitude. You can do this before drifting off to sleep, when your subconscious mind is most vulnerable. When your subconscious mind is most vulnerable, your thoughts, your affirmations, your imaginations can penetrate through your subconscious mind and make it a stable thing in your subconscious mind. When you are doing all of this and taking all the necessary steps, do have the concept of self-belief. Believe that everything is going to work out for you, and the universe is working behind the scenes to make it appear in the physical reality as well. Have that unwavering faith and belief in the universe and yourself, and witness the life unfold itself in front of you. Now let's dive deeper into these steps and know one by one what the purposes of these steps are. The first one is affirmation. Affirmation are a set of words said in a specific way where certain emotions and beliefs are set in those words. When you say out a specific affirmation, you should say it in a present tense, mostly because everything exists now, and this moment is what counts, not the future or the past. So, with the help of affirmation, you are making it clear to the universe of what you want and how you want it. It is kind of a declaration of your desire to the universe. The second one is immersing yourself in the feeling of your desire. When you immerse yourself in the feeling of desire, and you are connecting with the divine, and you are creating a positive vibration around you which ultimately aligns you with your desired outcome. So, immersing yourself in the feeling is very important. Immersing yourself in the feeling means that you are living in the end, you are feeling the end. And when you are feeling the end, you know what kind of feelings are generated And with those feelings, it is easier for you to connect with the divine and connect with your desired outcome. The third one is surrendering to the divine, which is to have unwavering faith and belief to the universe. When you are surrendering to the divine, you are also taking the necessary steps to the desired outcome, but you are also having that belief that the universe has your back. It is like you are having that faith in the universe or your divine self. By surrendering to the divine, you exhibit an attitude which determines that you are with unwavering faith, trust the universe, and for sure know that your desired outcome is already yours. The fourth one is taking actions towards your desire and having the consistency. Even if you believe the universe with your desire, you should take effective actions towards your goals. And when you are taking effective actions, there should be consistency with the prayers. When you are praying and you have that consistency going on, it is easier for you to believe and not let those negative thoughts penetrate through your positive aura. The fifth one is having attitude of gratitude. Journal your gratitude into your prayers. Write it down. Write down every gratitude you feel for the universe and your desire. Gratitude for those things that you have and those things you are going to receive. When you feel gratitude towards anything, it multiplies itself automatically. I have mentioned this numerous times in my channel that gratitude is a multiplier of whatever you have. So, if you feel gratitude for the money you have, you will get more abundance into your life effortlessly because you are sending a signal to the universe that you are satisfied with whatever you have. And the universe will present more of what you have when you are satisfied with it. Now apply these methods in your prayer practice and see how wonderfully your desire gets manifested. Maybe you have heard this before, but Neville Goddard is one of the authors who first mentioned us to the law of assumption. According to Neville Goddard, if you assume anything and you have that unwavering belief in that assumption, then that assumption is going to turn into reality. You can also add the law of assumption into your prayer practice. Now, where do you fit in this law of assumption into your prayer practice? The law of assumption fits in the visualization process of your prayer practice. When you are visualizing your goals, you are assuming your desires. And when you are assuming your desires, you have that unwavering faith that we discussed before. So, apply this law of assumption with the previous prayer practices and witness your desire come into life. When you are saying out the affirmations, don't let any negative beliefs or negative thoughts penetrate through your positive aura. Remind yourself again and again that you are deserving of whatever you are manifesting, and it will manifest to you instantly. You don't have to dwell upon all the processes of how, what, when and where. You just have to believe in yourself. You have to believe in the universe and the process. Never have any questions or doubts about the process of your manifestation. By doing this, you tap into your higher self, and it is easy for you to manifest your desired outcome. Whatever your desired outcome might be, it will manifest. Maybe it is attracting abundance and prosperity. Maybe it is attracting a specific person into your life or attracting happiness and peace into your life. This works for everything. Imaginations, affirmations, belief, gratitude is the secret to have anything manifested. That is all for today, but if you want to know more about manifestation and want to embark on the journey of spirituality, then do not forget to check out this channel. I post everything interesting for you to witness and grab knowledge. Therefore, do not miss out on anything posted in the channel. By saying this, we have come to the end of this video. If you have come this far, I thank you for listening to me. If you liked this video, press that like button down below and share it with your friends and family. It would mean a lot to me if you even subscribe to my channel for more contents like this. Thank you.